What is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So yeah, just sharing with you today, what is up, and also just want to share 2025 is fast approaching to an end, and yeah, so by the time you're watching this video, you could have assessed yourself, you know, from this whole year, or more like a reflection. Ano ba yung na-achieve mo ngayong taon? Ano ba yung nagawa mo ngayong taon that help you improve? So take note, dapat ang goal mo is change, di ba? So dapat nagkaroon ka ng improvement, at least may it be personal development or your finances, or kung meron ka mang sinet na goal from the early start ng 2025 and na-meet mo yon, that's good, alright? Even if hindi mo siya totally 100% na na-meet, as long as there's change, as long as there's a little bit of growth, okay pa rin yun, alright? We are not bound to perfection. Ang point doon, kailangan may nabago man lang. Pero kung wala, stagnant pa rin yung style mo or yung terms of your finances, like break even, and at least if you have done well naman, let's say you have managed to pay your bills, napa-enroll mo yung mga anak mo sa school, everyone is healthy, nakakain naman kayo, then that's good pa rin. Because syempre, finances are just plus minus, diba? It's just money come and go, okay? But you could have made more in terms of what? Learning new skills, learning something else that could change your life forever, diba? So isa na dyan, syempre mag-aral kayo ng like trading, or kung meron man kayong goal na ma-promote sa trabaho, aralan nyo ibang ginagawa ng ibang department mo. Like you should be well-rounded enough na matutunan iba't ibang areas of expertise, okay? So speaking of trading, syempre, although I'm offering courses, ang point here doon is kailangan you should have a consistency. So marami na akong na-encounter ng mga tao na ano lang, ningas kugon. Sabihin, they're just hype from the start, pero once they experience some struggles or kung ano man, humihinto na, no? And yun yung problem. Yun yung weakness ng mga individuals. They're not like by nature, no? Once they experience stress or kung ano man level of difficulty, nade-demotivate, which is wrong. Kailangan mas lalo kayo ma-motivate na ma-meet nyo lahat ng ma-meet nyo lahat yung kailangan nyo gawin. Well, speaking of growth, no? Trading is one skill na masasabi natin na mabilis talaga yung ROI. Pero take note, it's not an easy money like other gurus or other academies portray, that you will earn money, millions, and you'll be able to retire yourself at an early stage. That is possible, but when you are starting, okay lang. But when you are starting, that is not yet on a high probable level, kasi nga you must work on yourself first, acquire more learnings, and syempre hindi naman porket nag-aaral ka profitable ka agad, okay? Nakabase din dyan if ano yung strategy na inaral mo, if tama ba yung learning mo, if may nag-guide ba sa'yo, or if tama yung pina-follow mong direction. Otherwise, you'll be all over the place. Ika nga, kalat-kalat yung inaaral mo. That's why I designed, diba, programs para smooth yung transition from a zero knowledge to basic to intermediate to advanced. For programs, again, you can just check on the screen, or I'll flash it. So you can learn at your own pace, or even have me as your guide, diba, through the one-on-one mentorship program. Okay? If you want to be part of our global TFP Champions community, of course, you may want to check out my 3 offered programs. So, number 1 na dyan, yung ating one-on-one mentorship program by Zoom. This is a 90-day program. And currently, usually it's twice a week session. And the schedule is dependent on your availability or convenience. And for the option 2, this is the masterclass, TFP masterclass lessons. So, I have managed to prepare 28 lessons catered for a zero knowledge perspective up to advanced levels. You can learn at your own pace, and you don't have to worry about schedules kasi all of these videos are full downloadable and should be a lifetime access. And lastly, for the option 3 is the TFP Champion Bootcamp, wherein this is more like a fast track, 5 weeks program. Dahil we'll be meeting 4 times per week session. Okay, so kung talagang gigil na gigil ka mag-aral trading, and bootcamp I think would suit your need when it comes to your trading journey. Right, so again, kasama doon, syempre, I'll be teaching the main system that I'll be using in my students as well sa VIP. Yun yung TFP Champion System. So, again, there's no excuse hindi kayo matuto, no? And that program is designed for everyone. May alam ka, wala, you'll be able to catch up. And, of course, iba-iba naman tayo ng level ng pag-grasp na information. So, may mga fast learner, slow learner, pero ang point dyan, kaya mo, magagawa mo yun. So, there's no excuse. Again, 2025, for the 2026 transition, assess yourself. Kung nasaan ka ngayon, is there a change? Wala ba? If wala, then that's a big problem. Kasi every year you should have a growth, di ba? And when I mean growth, people tend to be comfortable, di ba? So, dun lang tayo sa safety lagi, di ba? Kasi gusto natin, hindi nababago yung routine, this and that, smooth lang, okay? Take note, growth doesn't happen when you are comfortable. Growth happens when there is stress, pressure, and a little bit of shake-up pagdating sa, sa psychology part. Okay? I'm not saying na kailangan lagi ka ma-stress para gumaling ka or mag-improve. Ang point doon, learn to adapt. Ika nga, life is always uncertain. Pwede kang mabankrupt overnight. Pwede kang masunugan sa trade overnight. You can lose all your businesses overnight. You can lose your loved ones overnight. Maraming factors, and that would add up to your stress, pressure, and your psychological aspect. Kailangan natin must be firm to adapt to changes. Okay? And that would bring growth dun sa atin. Okay? So, finance-wise, learn other skills. Hanap kayo ng bagay na pagkakitaan other than your profession. So, worst, kung wala kayong ginagawa ngayon at wala kayong trabaho, later. Take the step. Okay, hanap mo na kayong work. Build up yourself. Magkaroon kayo ng personal development. Like, learn other skills. Pwedeng hindi naman trading. Example, carpentry, programming, kung ano naman. That would add up value sa sarili mo, no? So that you can market yourself as being a high-paying individual. Otherwise, you'll be just settling for the minimum wage, diba? Which is bad kasi lalo na ngayon, taas ng inflation, mahal ng bilihin, struggling ibang mga small and large scale businesses, so may apektado ka rin. Okay? And ang pinaka pangit pa dyan, tanya guys, kung nagko-commit kayo, no, that is the most unproductive na experience nyo, yung traffic. Kasi biruin nyo, ilang oras kayo nakaupo, scroll lang kayo sa cellphone, tapos nasayang oras nyo. See, if you know trading, you could have made money in just half an hour to an hour, di ba? That's realistic. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, learn to be more productive. Kung may mga bagay kayo na ginagawa, example, nag-Netflix lang kayo, no, tambay, inom, okay, walang problema doon. Learn to enjoy yourself, pero there's always time for that. Okay? Pero ngayon, kung wala pa kayong pera, grind. Balance everything. Okay? From a brokey perspective up to a wealthy individual. So if you don't learn how to think rich, you'll never be rich. Sabi ko nga, uh, kailangan nating mag-isip like, how these wealthy people think. And malaking bagay dyan is your surroundings. Kung pinapalibutan mo yung sarili mo ng mga brokies, mga tambay, mga bad influences, di ba? Magiging ganun ka rin. And you'll end up be broke as well. So, learn to know your circle of friends, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan madami. Kailangan nyo lang quality na not would add of value to your personal development, to your lifestyle, and of course, magandang influence. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a short video for you guys. So, I just want to greet everyone a Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous New Year to everyone. No? So, see you all again on next year. But in the next few days, also, I may be able to post some technical price action videos for our lesson 5, hopefully. Alright, so medyo busy lang ngayon kasi maraming ganap, Christmas, and I just want to enjoy as well. Spend more time with the family. So that will be it for today. God bless. Thank you all to my TFP champions, students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.